The stigma around hair restoration, I think, has definitely changed. The landscape has changed. You know, before it was a toupee, right, which doesn't look good for anybody. And then the hair transplant, which can be very successful, but it's incredibly expensive. There's very few centers that actually do it. So like the rest of this industry in aesthetics, there are becoming more options available to people that are more attainable by the you know the regular public, as opposed to, you know, a $60,000 hair transplant. We're seeing laser treatments in combination of something called PRP, platelet-rich plasma injections, coupled with some other new products which stimulate hair growth. Sort of throwing all those, as I like to call them, sort of small engines together, you all of a sudden get a bigger engine, which can have nice results. The other nice thing, again, which is consistent with the landscape now, is it's very subtle. These products now, men can come in and it's a maintenance type of thing, like Rogaine, for example. You know, Rogaine was sort of all we had as the, you know, sort of the average Joe, but now we can throw more of these higher end metastatic stuff at it to get a nice subtle result. The technology's always been there, but just how we're harnessing it is relatively new. Hair restoration, usually everyone thought a toupee or a hair transplant. Most people don't even look into it other than going to Costco and getting their Rogaine. So now, again, I think because of social media and things like that, it's going to really start catching on that yes, there are other solutions.